In this video, we'll cover Azure Cost Management. What drives your Azure bill? How do you estimate costs before you deploy? How do you compare cloud costs to running your own data center? And once you're running, how do you track and control spending? By the end, you'll know how to estimate, monitor, and reduce your Azure spending using free Microsoft tools. The cloud can save money, but only if you understand what drives your bill. First, resource type. A VM costs differently from a storage account. The SKU, region, and compute size all affect the price. Second, consumption. Most services charge by usage. A VM running 24/7 costs more than one running 8 hours a day. Third, data transfer. Ingress is usually free, but egress costs money, especially across regions. Fourth, reserved capacity. Commit to 1 or 3 years upfront, and Azure gives you discounts of up to 72%. Your architecture decisions are your biggest cost lever. Before you deploy, use the Azure Pricing Calculator. It's a free web tool where you build out your architecture and get an estimated monthly cost. Add VMs, storage, networking. Configure each with your expected usage. Compare regions. Toggle between pay-as-you-go and reserved pricing. Export the estimate as a spreadsheet. It's not a commitment. It's an estimate based on current prices. Your company runs its own data center and wants to know if Azure would save money. The Total Cost of Ownership calculator helps answer that. Input your current workloads, and the TCO calculator estimates what you're spending today, including hidden costs like electricity, cooling, IT staff, and floor space. Then it shows the equivalent Azure cost over 1, 3, or 5 years. Use it to build a business case for migration. Once you're running in Azure, use Cost Management. It's built into the portal at no extra charge. It shows where your money is going with cost analysis dashboards. You can create budgets and set alerts that notify you at 50, 80, and 100%. You can even trigger automation to shut down resources when thresholds are hit. Cost Management also gives advisor recommendations, like suggesting you downsize a VM that's been at 5% CPU for 30 days. You have 200 resources across 3 teams. Your bill is one big number. Resource tags solve this. A tag is a name-value pair you attach to any resource, like department engineering or environment production. Tags show up in cost reports. Filter by tag to see exactly how much each project costs. Enforce required tags with Azure policy so nothing gets deployed without a cost center. Here's the toolkit. Pricing Calculator to estimate before deployment. TCO Calculator to compare cloud versus on-premises. Cost Management to track live spending and set budgets. And resource tags to allocate costs by team and project. Next up, governance and compliance.